And welcome everyone. I am Thamizharasu, your business coach. Today we are going to tackle a subject that's close to my heart and crucial for anyone aiming to excel in the business world: Six Sigma. Now you might have heard about Six Sigma as a set of techniques and tools for process improvement. But I assure you it's much more than that. Over the next 7 minutes, I will guide you through its core principles, key methodologies, essential tools, and how you can implement Six Sigma to skyrocket your business efficiency. This guide is meticulously crafted to help entrepreneurs just like you cut through the noise and focus on what genuinely matters for scaling your business. We are about to dive deep into transformative power of Six Sigma. Let's get started.
1. What is Six Sigma and why it matters? Six Sigma is not just a set of tools or techniques, it's a disciplined, data-driven perfect approach for eliminating defects in any process, from manufacturing to service delivery. The methodology aims to help you achieve near-perfect results, which leads to cost reduction, increased efficiency, and improved customer satisfaction. If you're looking to thrive in today's competitive business environment, understanding Six Sigma is a must. 2. The 5 phases of Six Sigma, DMAIC explained. The backbone of Six Sigma is the DMAIC framework, which stands for Define, Measure, Analyze, Improve, and Control. It provides a structured and systematic approach to problem solving in the real world. First, you define the problem, then you measure key aspects of the current process and collect data. The analyze phase helps you interpret the data to identify what needs to be improved. Then you improve the process by implementing solutions. Finally, control is where you ensure that the improvements are sustained over time. 3. Roles and responsibilities, the Six Sigma team structure. Implementing Six Sigma is a team effort. It includes various roles such as yellow belts, who are beginners, green belts, who support and lead simple projects, black belts, who lead more complex projects, and champions, who are upper management individuals that ensure the resources and commitment for project success. Understanding this hierarchical structure is essential for the successful deployment of Six Sigma. 4. Six Sigma tools, an overview of quality control instruments. In Six Sigma, a variety of statistical tools are used to analyze and improve processes. Some of the essential tools include fishbone diagrams for root cause analysis, Pareto analysis for prioritizing issues, and control charts for monitoring process variations. Mastery of these tools can drastically improve your problem-solving skills. 5. Real-world applications of Six Sigma. Six Sigma is versatile. From manufacturing sectors like automotive and aerospace to service industries like healthcare and hospitality, Six Sigma principles have proven to be highly effective. One real-world example is General Electric, which reportedly saved billions by implementing Six Sigma. 6. Benefits of implementing Six Sigma. The advantages of Six Sigma are not just theoretical. Companies implementing Six Sigma have reported reduced operational costs, increased efficiency, and most importantly, improved customer satisfaction. If these are the goals you're aiming for, then Six Sigma is the way to go. 7. Six Sigma versus Lean, a comparative analysis. While both Six Sigma and Lean methodologies aim for process improvement, they focus on different aspects. Six Sigma is primarily concerned with reducing process variation and improving quality, whereas Lean seeks to eliminate waste and increase speed. However, when combined, often referred to as Lean Six Sigma, they can offer organizations a comprehensive toolkit for process optimization. 8. Common mistakes to avoid in a Six Sigma project. Embarking on a Six Sigma project can be challenging, and mistakes are common. Some typical pitfalls include a lack of management support, inadequate training, and poorly defined project goals. Being aware of these can help you plan better and set your Six Sigma project up for success. 9. How to get Six Sigma certified, a step-by-step guide. If you're considering becoming a Six Sigma practitioner, certification is a logical step. Various organizations offer yellow, green, and black belt certifications. The process usually involves training, a written exam, and sometimes a project demonstration. Certified professionals are well regarded in the industry, and the credential can be a significant boost to your career. To wrap up, Six Sigma offers a robust framework for improving your business processes and outcomes. From understanding the DMAIC model to mastering Six Sigma tools and avoiding common pitfalls, this methodology can provide a significant edge in today's competitive marketplace. As you consider integrating Six Sigma into your business strategy, remember that it's a commitment to continuous improvement. If you found this guide helpful and want to learn more about improving your business strategies, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.